there's like nobody about, and this is one of the most touristy places in Thailand. Good morning, everybody. Where are we heading today, Amelia?
Koh Phi Phi.
Oh yeah. Wait, what are you eating?
Cereal and milk.
Wow.
That's crazy.
I didn't think we'd be eating that in Thailand. What is it? Chocolate? Chocolate curls?
I don't know what they are, but it tastes good.
I've also got some little noodles in a mug. I'm just waiting for them to finish. I don't know how long it takes because it's all in Thai. We are waiting for our transfer to Koh Phi Phi. Are you excited?
Yeah.
This island looks absolutely insane, like the cliffs and of course Maya Bay. So we're at the ferry port now and we're just heading to gate 2 to get our ferry. It leaves at 8:30, so we've got about half an hour. Thank you. Are you ready to go to Koh Phi Phi?
Yeah.
So excited. Apparently the journey is really cool as well, so it should be quite exciting. So we just arrived in Koh Lanta. I think we've got to go through a security checkpoint. Koh Lanta? I meant Koh Phi Phi. Look at it, it looks amazing. Just arrived on Koh Phi Phi. Just walking around the streets now to where we're staying. I think it's called Tropical Garden Bungalows. But there's literally no taxis and all that stuff. So there's no motor vehicles, that's the word. So everyone's on mics and stuff. That's pretty cool.
We've just come to a pancake restaurant and I've got banana and Nutella, and then we've got some fresh fruit, and I think Joel's got banana and Nutella as well. So.
Yeah, we thought we should get some fresh fruit because, you know, we don't always have loads of fruit and veg. Make sure we get those vitamins, make sure we keep it nice and healthy. Look what we've got. Some fresh fruit, and then this is so good. It's a 50 baht for banana and Nutella pancake. Look at that, there's a scorpion. What? That is mad. No, don't go away. I've never seen a scorpion in the wild before. That's so cool. Just checking into the hotel bungalows now. That's where we're going to go later, I think, Maya Bay. So guys, this is our little bungalow, number 12. Got a little balcony area, and then through here we've got Amelia and our double beds. Some mosquito nets just in case. A big old fan. We don't have AC this time, but I mean, can't really complain. And then our little shower, and toilet, and of course the trusted old bum gun. Got to use the bum gun.
It's important.
And so this is only costing us, how much is it costing us?
£4 a night each?
£4 a night each. I think it was 200 baht or something like that. So pretty good. 200 baht, by the way. So guys, we are getting on a Longtail boat. It's costing us 250 baht for 10 people, and we're going with this little group here. A lot of us from the UK and a few from Germany. I think we're taking this boat just here. I think we got a really good deal for 250 baht. What are you thinking?
Sun cream.
Sun cream. How you doing,
Yo.
Tomo? So we're going to be heading to Maya Bay, I think, first, and then we're going to be coming around, I think, this part of the island or somewhere else for sunset, but should be sick. First time going to Koh Phi Phi around here, so excited.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling this heavy load got under your skin. All in, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bound.
Got to Bilao Lagoon and like look at this place, look at this freaking water. It looks insane. How you doing, Joshy? It's sick. There's quite a few longboats here, but apparently like compared to normal this is insane. The little entrance over there, but then all around. These cliffs look so sick. It reminds me of like El Nido in the Philippines and stuff like that. It just looks so cool. Got these Thai long tail boats. I don't even know what that is. Little tail thing. Right, you ready to jump in?
Got water in my ear.
Oh yeah? Come on in, here we go. So guys, we are heading to, well, I'm a bit wobbly because I've just been on a boat. We're heading to My Bay Beach. It's only opened very recently because of COVID and stuff. So it costs 400 baht each to get through. Then we've got to pay this guy or something. You got the money?
Yeah.
400 baht. We are just walking through to My Bay Beach or whatever it's called now. Apparently you can't actually pull into the bay now. So we're walking like through the islandy bit. And yeah. Here we go.
5:30.
5:30.
Now 4:25. Okay,
Perfect.
5:30
See you in a bit. Thank you. There it is, My Bay Beach. Guys, look at this. It looks insane. It does remind me quite of like the Whitsunday Islands, just this sand. Look at that! Look at that sand! So we're not actually allowed to go in the water because apparently, they're trying to preserve it, which is really good. And if you can see, like in the distance, see those boats? There's like a little like line thing. So you can't go. The boats can't come this side, so they're just trying to keep the water like really clean.
The sand is so white, it's actually like powder.
Yeah.
It was nice in Phuket, but this is like...
It's amazing, isn't it? You even look brown. We've only just got here.
Crazy. I actually look back.
What is it, like 5:15?
Yeah.
And look how little people are on the beach now. It looks insane. Look! This is Maya Bay.
Crazy.
So we are heading back now.
To the boat.
To the boat! This beach is so empty, it's crazy, isn't it?
It is. Like, I don't know, I've seen pictures of this years ago where it's completely full. It's like a Benidorm beach or something. But right now it's like crazy paradise. Literally,
there's like 2 people over there and then just our group. It's absolutely mad. Because of COVID times and only just opening, like you probably won't see it like this if you come in a month or 2. Apparently a month ago it was so much less busy. Now suddenly, getting more people back, but this is just insane. Mad place, absolutely beautiful, and I feel so lucky to be able to come here when there's like no one here. Just walking back to the Longtail boat now. There's like no one around suddenly. Just so weird. This is like one of the most famous places in Thailand. And where is everyone? So Maya Bay is over there, and we've just come to this spot to watch the sunset, go for a swim. This water is so clear, it's like 10 meters deep. So sick. Oh. Guys, look at this. We're in the water in Maya Bay. Look how high these cliffs are. It's insane. So what a crazy day we had going to Maya Bay, and it only opened on the 1st of January 2022, so it wasn't that busy still, but how crazy was the beach? Like,
it was insane. I think it's the best beach I've ever seen.
Wow! You know, no, same. I think it was one of the best beaches I've ever been to. If you enjoyed the video, please go hit the like button and follow us on our journey, because we're going to be traveling to Thailand for the next couple of months. And if you want daily updates, go follow us on Instagram, because we do daily stories of exactly what we're doing and when we're doing it. If you're in Thailand, message me and maybe we can meet up. The next video we're going to be doing a big tour all around Koh Phi Phi and like loads of different spots. So stay tuned for that, and we will see you then.
Bye!
Bye!